Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites so you don't waste time later. Check your account rank and milestone requirements, and make sure the game client is updated. Once done, enable daily login and event tracking in settings. These flags let the milestone register progress. Next, gather baseline resources, credits, energy, and event tokens, because many milestone actions consume them. Do this now so you can immediately execute actions that count toward the milestone rather than pausing mid-process to farm. Now you focus on the core actions that generate milestone progress. Pick the specific missions or ranked matches that the milestone counts and repeat them efficiently. Use any 2x boosters or VIP multipliers to double progress. They save hours. Once in match, aim for the required objectives, captures, assists, or combo chains, because partial actions may not register. Also, make sure to queue with a squad or enable auto match when milestones depend on team triggers. Coordinated play, often to finish, complete the final required objective and immediately open the event or achievement tab to claim the milestone reward. Many systems require manual redemption. If your progress didn't register, force close the app and clear cache, then relog so the client syncs with the server. This resolves most desync cases. If syncing still fails, capture screenshots and match ID. Then contact support. Provide exact timestamps and steps so they can credit the milestone without delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.